Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 2 earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds and of course the case for like 20-30 minutes, and also disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, open this charging case, remove both earbuds. Then click and hold on the left and the right and keep holding until one of the indicators starts blinking blue. Right now we can release the buttons and put them close to your Android device. Next, you can go to this Bluetooth settings step by step, go to the pair new device and select the Jabra Elite 2 from the list with this headphones shortcut icon. Note this one. So click on it once, accept the pair. As you can see, we are successfully connected. Next, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and open the Google Play Store. But if you are using the Huawei devices, you have to open the app gallery or go to the browser and get the Jabra Sound Plus application. So that's the app that you have to download. So let's simply click on the install button and now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. Okay, and right now we can open it. Accept all these permissions that will pop on your screen. Click continue. And as you can see, when you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, will be already connected. So we can click skip in the right upper corner. And there we are. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.